Hello guys, welcome to Sem Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to convert Word documents to PDF. So without wasting my time, let's go to our browser and let me show you guys how to do this. You can do it on your phone or on your computer. It's very easy to do. Okay, so now we will use a platform called Small PDF. This platform can help you to convert your document to a PDF mode. Okay, so we'll go to this platform smallpdf.com, and they make PDF easy. Okay, so they have a lot of tools you can explore. Okay, but in this video we'll be converting Word to PDF. Okay, so let's click on this. We have free trial to use. You can either pay to use more of their tools, but in this video we are using the free trial version. So you click on explore all PDF tools. Okay, so at the explore PDF tools page, you see all these kind of tools here: compressed PDF, PDF converter, PDF OCR, a lot. Okay, but in this video we'll be talking about this. Okay, we're talking about converting your Word to PDF. So we will click on this Word to PDF over here. Okay, so the page says free Word to PDF converter. Let's say you have a Word. Let me go to my computer and search for Word. Let's say I have this document. I'm opening this document. Okay, this is a Word document which you can edit, and you want to convert it to a PDF mode so that you can send it to someone. Then this video is for you, because we will be converting this Word document to PDF right now. Okay, so now let me go back to the platform, the Small PDF. Okay, so what you have to do here is to upload the file over here. Whether you can drag and drop it over here, or you can click here and select from. So I have this Word over here called ECG. Let me convert the Word to PDF. So I will upload it to this platform. Okay, and you can see we are converting to PDF. Okay, and this is very easy because we have successfully converted the Word to PDF right now, and we can just click here to download the PDF version. Okay, so this is the PDF version. Let me upload it. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the PDF version, and you can see it's very easy to convert Word to PDF. Okay, so if this video helped you to convert your Word to PDF, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and the tool we used for this is Small PDF. Okay, that's the name of the tool. It's called Small PDF. You can use it to convert your Word document to PDF. Okay, thank you.